In this video, I would like to show you how to order your patches as a customer. So first, make sure you have selected your country. So I'm going to scroll down and find United Kingdom, select, and make sure that your country shows at the top. Now click Shop. And here you can browse your products, your patches. For example, select the X39. And here you can see the retail price. And here the wholesale price. So I guess you'd like the wholesale price, which means that you will just subscribe, but you can cancel that anytime. I always recommend going for the subscription because it's considerably cheaper than the retail price. So let's say you want the one sleeve of the X39. You can always change the quantity later and add to cart. So now find the cart icon, which is here, and then you just click View Cart. Notice that it's still showing you the retail price that you don't want. So instead, what you will do is, well, you can either continue shopping if you want to add something else. Don't check out yet. To get the discount, you go here. So you become a preferred customer. So click in that. Now you have three options. So do not select this because you would pay the regular retail price. We want either LifeWave Preferred Customer or LifeWave Preferred Plus Customer. I would recommend this one because I think it's a bit more fun. You will get monthly free samples and some more benefits. You can study the difference between these two on the website. You can find it here, the Preferred Customer Program. There's some more info about it. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just continue with the Preferred Plus Customer. So let's choose this. And here you can see, so you've got your LifeWave X39 patches. You can adjust the quantity if you want. And here is that membership. It's a yearly membership for the Preferred Plus. Then you go to checkout. Do not select this shop as a guest instead because it would have the retail price. So go to checkout. And we assume that this is your first time. So we'll create a new account and make sure that you have selected your favorite enroller. If somebody else sent you here, make sure that their name will appear here. So create account. This is all your information, your name, your date of birth, your username. Select some username, or you can use your customer ID, which will be a row of numbers. But I think it's nicer to have a username. So just make something up and you will see if it's available. Then you will enter your email, confirm it, your phone. Then optional, I agree to be contacted by a LifeWave brand partner, periodic emails about product news, promotions and opportunities, and you can opt out at any time. Then you will select some password, and then you can do all the security and click continue, and there will be all the payment options. So I hope that you have found this little guide helpful. And if you have any questions, get back to me or the person who sent you the link. And enjoy your patches as much as we do. Bye for now.